The time I write video has been interrupted, so to ask question we have for the time, to ask the time you have when, at what time, in how many time, how many days, since when. So just example I have in my mind if I want to ask question about the time. And in French, so when we pronounce quand. You remember A and N, it's the song en. And to say when you will arrive or when do you arrive, we will pronounce quand arrives-tu. Voilà. Arrived is we write the same in French, but we pronounce not I but I. Quand arrives-tu? Or when do you come? Come is venir in French. It's a common word also. So to come, I will show you later. Venir en français. Voilà. Quand viens-tu? But I will not. It's not the goal of this video. So the second one, at what time? À quelle heure? So you remember this one is not a verb, so the what I will change with quel masculin or quel féminin, and quel féminin because her in French it's féminin. Another one is how many, in how many time. How many in French, combien. Donc, in how many, okay, in how many, dans combien de temps. And you will tell me, oh, I don't understand. At what time? You write time. And here you write her, and here you write time also, but you not write same, you write temps. Temps mean in French we have different meaning. The temps is look like the time you will spend or you are waiting for something or the time it takes to do something. And temps, it is the weather also. Okay, if you say today, oh, what a shit weather. En français, you will say, oh, quel mauvais temps. You remember mauvais, bad. Hein? Quel mauvais temps. Here, we are speaking about the time, but at what time mean you speak about the watch. You speak about the watch and the time on the watch you will arrive. So you will receive an answer, same at 3 hours or in 30 minutes, same in French. You speak really about a specific time, and this is why we call her, because we know. Dans combien de temps is how many time is we don't know exactly, and it's not a specific hour. So you will answer in 3 days, in 30 minutes. This why you will write with temps, excepted if you say, okay, when we write normally in how many time I will answer in 30 minutes. At what time normally we don't answer in 30 minutes, but sometimes it can happen. You will see after it will be this one. It will be very easy for you. But à quelle heure mean normally a specific time. Dans combien de temps we don't know exactly. How many days? How many days it takes for you to do homeworks every day? Voilà, you will write in French. Combien days? Jours. I don't know if you learned already in English. Jour. Jour is the day. Combien de jours? Since when? You will write depuis combien. Since depuis in French. Depuis. Voilà. Since when you feel pain your teeth? Depuis combien ou depuis quand, because I say since when. C'est it's not depuis combien, it's depuis quand. I'm sorry. When is quand. Since when, depuis quand as-tu mal aux dents? And you have for the location where do you go? Où vas-tu? So for question today, alors we see the who, qui es-tu, qui a fait ça, qui veut venir, and what, okay, que fais-tu, with the verb it's que, and if it's a word, it's quel or quelle. Quelle heure, ou à quelle heure, ou quel film, what movie you want watched. Watch is regarder in French, so this one we will see later. But you see, to build the sentence, normally it's exactly the same. You just have to remember when is quand, at what time, à quelle heure, in how many time, dans combien de temps, okay, how many days, combien de jours, since when, depuis quand, where, où, who, qui, what is que, quoi, quel ou quelle. We can have what can mean quoi also. I don't have example. Sometimes we say what are you doing in French. We can say tu fais quoi. Mean you do what. You do what? And you will answer tu fais quoi. We not say tu fais que. So I will stop the video. I will let you watch this one quiet. And tomorrow, try to ask me a question in French. I want a question with the time, and I want a question with the location in French. So maybe I want to say when you will stop to worry me. You can worry. No, maybe I not learn to you. Translate what time you will watch the movie, and when you will stop your lesson, and you write lesson same in French. It's not important. And after you ask me a question or where I go for holiday. Okay, I want to see this one tomorrow, and I want you show me when you write, but I want hear you or you pronounced. Okay, ciao.